Well, if you've got a wingo, take her up to Ringo, where the waxy singo all the day. If you've had your fill of porter and you can't go any further, give your man the other, thank you decay, and take her up to Monto, 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 take her up to Monto, Langaroo, to you. The dirty Duke at Gloucester, the dirty old impostor, took his mutton, lost her up the Forey Glen. He first put on his bowler, then he buttoned up his trousers, then he whistled for a growler, and he says, "My man, take me up to Monto, 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 take me up to Monto, Langaroo, to you." You see, in the double of Fusiliers, the dirty old bamboozlers, they went to get the childer. 1, 2, 3. Marching from the Linen Hall, there's one for every cannonball, and Vicky's going to send you all o'er the sea. But first go up to Monto, 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 first go up to Monto, Langaroo, to you. When the Saravucia and the King of Prussia landed in the Phoenix in a big balloon, they asked the Polish band to play the wedding in the green, but the buggers in the depot didn't know that tune. So they both went up to Monto, 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 both went up to Monto, Langaroo, to you. The Queen, she came to calling us, she wanted to see all of us. Glad she didn't fall on us, she's 18 stone. Mr. me Lord Master, she is all you've got to show to me. Why no, man, there's some more to say. Ho, Mahone, and he took her up to Monto, 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 he took her up to Monto, Langaroo, good night to you. Thank you very much.